Today I will perform for you the story of a lonely elephant who finds friends. In the land of elephants, a young calf called Ron lived with his herd. Ron was an explorer and loved adventure. One early morning, he saw the sun glinting off a snowy peak and wanted to find it. So he started walking toward it. Days later, he arrived in a new forest at the foot of the great mountain. But Ron realized that he was all alone. So he tried to make a friend. He saw a monkey sitting on a tree. Ron bounded up to the monkey with enthusiasm. "Hey there! It's such a nice day! Shall we play?" The monkey had never seen an elephant before, so he looked at Ron curiously. "Hello there. What are you? Can you swing on branches? Why is your tail so short?" Ron looked puzzled and a little disappointed. I don't think a tree could hold me, but maybe we can do something else." The monkey looked uninterested and called out in a hurry, "I'm sorry, find Rabbit. Maybe he can be your friend." And he zoomed off. Just then, Ron saw Rabbit playing hopscotch with his friends. He ambled up to them and asked, "I would love to play with your friends." Rabbit stared at his lovely great giant and replied, "Dude, I already have my gang. You go play with your friends." Hiding his tears, Ron sniffled. "I'm new here. I don't have any friends." Rabbit shrugged, turned away, and Ron walked away, sad and dejected. A few days later, Ron woke up to find all the animals running in another direction. He stopped a turtle and asked if there was a fire in the forest. "A tiger has come into the jungle, hunting many animals. You also. Run, run, run. Save yourself." Ron was not afraid. He waited for the tiger, and when he saw him coming, he stopped him in his tracks. "Hey, tiger, why are you killing so many animals? I know you need to eat, but this is madness, to just kill when you're not hungry." The crazy tiger roared and said, "I kill because I can. Get away from me, you beast." The tiger pounced on Ron, but Ron was much bigger and stronger, and he wrapped his trunk around Tiger and flung him far, far away. All the animals came out of hiding and surrounded Ron, and the monkey said, "Elephant, you are truly a great friend. Thank you for saving us all. From today, every animal in the forest is your friend." And they all lived happily ever after. Thank you for listening.